Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to do double spacing in your Google Docs document. So first of all, open the Google Chrome or open up the Safari and open up the docs.google.com. Now you need to open the document in which you want the double spacing. So I'm going to open up a document here. Okay, now there are two ways to do it. Okay, so first of all let me show you. So if you want to double space all of your document, then you need to press Ctrl A from your Windows keyboard or Command A from your Macs, just like this. Okay, now it will select the full document, or if you want the specific lines to be double spaced, then you need to simply select, drag and select through the mouse or through your keyboard, uh, through your mouse pad. Okay, so just like this. Now suppose I want to do double spacing only these lines. Okay, so once you do that, now at the top of the options you need to find this one. Okay, horizontal lines and a uh, double arrow. Okay, which says line and paragraph spacing. So if I click here, then you can see single, 1.5, okay, and double. You need to click on double here. So just like this, now it is double spaced. Okay, so another way to do it is, suppose I select this one. Okay, this much text, then you can go to the format option at the top, then again you need to go to the line and paragraph spacing. The same options will come, then you can click on double, and this is how easily you can do double space in Google Docs document. Okay, so thank you for watching the video. Please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.